Hi, I am teacher Melba. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video and I hope you find it useful. The content that we are going to study today is the use of there is and there are. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use there is and there are. There is and there are we use to talk about things that exist. Let's continue. We use there is with singular noun. We can see the example. Each example has its own picture. We can see the first picture with a girl. And we say, there is a girl in front of the whiteboard. The second picture, we can see a library. And we say, there is a library on the street. In number 3, we can see a living room. And we say, there is a living room in the house. Let's continue. We use there are with plural noun. And we can see the example. We have on the right a picture where there are many students. And we say, there are many students in the class. In the picture number 2, we had 10 books. And we say there are 10 books. In the number 3, we had many vegetables. And we say there are many vegetables in the market. Now we can see a graphic where appear the use of there is. We use there is with affirmative, negative, and interrogative statement. We had the first example in the affirmative. There is a girl in front of the whiteboard. Number 2, negative. There isn't a zoo in the city. Number 3, interrogative. Is there a living room in the house? We can see the second graphic with the use of there are. We use there are in affirmative, negative, and interrogative. In affirmative, we have the example, there are students in the class. In the negative, we have, there aren't 10 pencils. In the interrogative, are there many vegetables in the market? To finish, we had a small exercise where you fill in the blank with there is or there are. Number 1, a fireplace in your house. Number 2, 2 nice tables in the bedroom. Number 3, a girl on the horse.